Hello everybody and welcome to week 7. This week we're going to be looking at the hero's journey or the monomyth by Joseph Campbell. If you click on the class notebook and then go to the content library, you'll find Unit 4 Hero's Journey. Click there and then you'll find your assignments for the week. So you need to watch the video and take notes. The PowerPoint is here as well. Wow, it's like a really lovely screenshot of my face. You are going to read The Legend of the Buddha, the story of it, and then there's a forms attached under assignments that you'll need to complete once you are done reading it. It's a pretty short one. And then the last piece will be to write a hero paragraph. You'll be picking one of the prompts from the assignment and write with your own personal experiences for this one. So if you go to the hero paragraph, sorry, wrong one. Hero paragraph. It's going to look like this. You're going to type it on a Word doc and then submit it here. But you're going to pick who is your personal hero, what makes them a hero, what was their hero's journey, maybe some adversity that they faced that you thought was really powerful. And it could be a celebrity, it could be your parents, anyone. And then when have you personally experienced a supreme ordeal? That's the darkest moment that a hero goes through. How did you overcome it and how did you change? And it could be maybe being under lockdown right now and going through that adversity. So think about it. Let me know if you have questions.